Ever see a Polynesian pearl diver before?
Not served as a drink.
I gotta make me one of these Polynesian pearl divers. What I discovered is that the drink requires Don's Gardenia mix. What the heck is Don's Gardenia mix? Well, one of the ingredients in that mix is a liqueur made from allspice, pimento liqueur. Wouldn't you know it, I can't get that where I live. I'm just gonna have to make my own. And all we do is seal it up, and every day you wanna shake it up. For 2 weeks. Hey, welcome back. You know, it's been 2 weeks for me, and I've been shaking it up every day. Along the way, I've been smelling it, and it just smells divine. Oh boy, it really does. And strong. I even, I think after a week and a half, I dipped my spoon in and tried it. It was, whoa! It was 151 just flooding my mouth. So what we're gonna do here now is we are going to just strain this through a sieve here, get all the big pieces out. It might take a couple strainings too to get it nice and clear. Oh, look at that. There's the vanilla bean. That's beautiful. I think that's it. That's pretty good. Yeah. You don't get a lot, but we're not done either. Wow. That's all I can smell is the spices that we used in here. Just flooding the room. It's great. Okay, what we're gonna do is I got a little funnel with a coffee filter. You could use a cheesecloth, you could use a nut milk bag, but I think this is gonna get most of the fine stuff out. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, and it's coming out clear. Beauty! We're only gonna have to do this once. So in the meantime, I'm just gonna set this gently off to the side here, okay? We're gonna get our stove going here. Fire! And what I'm gonna do right now is I'm gonna make a simple syrup. I've got a cup of clean water, and I've got a cup and a half of free trade organic brown sugar. This stuff is a delight. It really, really is. It's beautiful. I love that stuff. Sometimes you catch me just sort of sitting there eating it. And we're just gonna bring her to a gentle boil, gentle simmer probably. We don't wanna boil this thing too much. We wanna dissolve all the brown sugar, okay? That'll just take a minute. Ooh, how's our mix doing? How's our mix doing? Sweet. Oh my God, that looks delightful. Could take a couple minutes, but by the time this is done and cooled down a little bit, this will be ready to go. It's gonna be so good. I like sugar. And I'm just gonna stir this until it's all dissolved. It might take, I don't know, it may take 2 or 3 minutes, okay? You know, you could use any kind of sugar you want, but I think the brown sugar just has so much more flavor. And I mean, our allspice dram, our liqueur is already dark, so use brown sugar. It's got so much more flavor. So we're at like a really, really gentle simmer. We're just under a boil now, and that's where you want to keep it, okay? So you don't want to burn this thing. And I think I'm in. It's been a couple minutes now, 3, 4 minutes. And all I'm smelling is wonderful brown sugar. Brown sugar. I'm just gonna take it off the stove here, okay? and we want to let that cool to warm anyway. Room temp would probably be even better. So normally your simple syrups are 1 to 1. In this case, we went 1 to 1.5. So it's bordering on a rich syrup. So 1 cup of water to 1.5 cups of our brown sugar. So it's going to be a little thicker. Now, it's the waiting game. I mean, we spent 2 weeks being patient with this part of our concoction. We can be a little more patient with the rest. Well, it's been about 15 minutes, this dripping, and our syrup is cooled. So what we're going to do, and this is dry as a bone. So now we're going to add, well, actually, you know what? Before we add that, I got to taste this. Oh my God. That's probably going to kill me. That's 151. That is 151, all right. But I'm getting the spices really nice coming through. I got about 300 milliliters, about a 1.25 cups of our wonderful brown sugar rich syrup, and we're just going to add that to our mix. Going for it all. Let's do it all. Yeah, baby. And to this mix, we have Appleton 12-year-old. I chose Appleton Estate 12-year-old Jamaican rum initially because of that extra spicy nose. A nose that is all rich in brown sugar and molasses. A nose of dry oak and a mix of citrus, vanilla, cinnamon, and almond. When I tasted it, it was the luscious finish that sealed the deal. I figure the end result of what you're making is only as good as the worst ingredient you use. So that's why I decided to use a quality rum in my allspice liqueur. You know, a lot of you guys are probably gonna lambaste me because, well, I'm using a fine sipping rum here, but it's going in our mix. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Look at that. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that gold. Let's pop a lid on. Give that a good little shake, Rooney. Yeah. And taste it. Yeah. Oh. Okay. Oh, that is going to mature very nice. So what you want to do now is you want to keep this nice and quiet, cool, and I guess in a dark location. And you want to leave it for like 2 to 3 weeks. Let all those flavors merge. And actually, you know what else I'm going to do? Just a thought here. Orange bitters. How much? 10 dashes of orange bitters. And you know what else I'm going to do? I'm going to add 3 allspice. Three's lucky, okay? And this is going to be a lovely, 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 lovely little mix when it's all done. Yeah. So again, what you want to do is you want to leave it dark and cool and quiet. And you can shake it up every so often, just very gently like this, for about 2 to 3 weeks. I'm going to taste it in about 2 weeks to see where I'm at. And if I feel it needs another week, I'm going to leave it another week, because I got patience, baby. So for me, it's going to be 3 weeks. My hair is going to get longer. I'll see you then, okay? Cheers. Look how thick this is. That's beautiful. Oh! Okay. Yeah, we'll be here another 3 weeks, waiting for the honey. So now we're stage 2 of our allspice liqueur. You know what to do. In the meantime, hit the subscribe button and check the other videos out. Cheers. I'm going to stash this now.